One of the other things I was really impressed with was, so when we had the new conservatory done, you've got the installers for the frame and the windows in the doors, but then we also had some new electrics done, so we've got this living room detail, which also then required plasterer, so we had electrician and plasterer come in. And everything was organised really, really well. So literally, as soon as the conservatory was watertight, the next day, electrician came in for the first fix. Once he had done his job, the plasterer came in. In fact, 2 of them came in on a Saturday to get the job done, which was just really fantastic. And I think, so all in all, it probably took maybe a couple of weeks to get it all done, from the point where we had the old conservatory to a point where the work had been done, the plastering had been finished, and then we said to Abbey we wanted it all up and running by Christmas, all fully done, and we were, so it was good.